Hey everyone, I'm Miss Alicia from the Trussville Public Library. I'm here to bring you a fun story today. It's a bedtime story that I'm sure you'll enjoy. Today's story is Stop Snoring, Bernard. Bernard, the hippo, loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, he loved playtime, and he especially loved, most of all, nap time. But there was just one itsy-bitsy, teeny-tiny problem. Do you know what it was? You're right. Bernard had a problem. His problem was that he snored too loudly. So one afternoon at nighttime, his friends Frog and Turtle came to tell Hippo what his problem was. Turtle came right over to him and he said, "Snore somewhere else, Hippo." Oh. And Frog said, "You snore too loudly, Bernard. Go someplace else." Oh, well, that kind of hurt Bernard's feelings. That's not very nice to say, is it? No. And so Bernard tried sleeping, someplace new, under a bridge. Right under a bridge. Yes, Bernard, just went right underneath that bridge in the water. And rested right on top of the water. But there was a problem. Someone else heard Bernard snoring. Yes, it was Alligator. Alligator said, "Stop snoring, Bernard." That woke Bernard up. And Bernard's feelings were hurt. But he decided to sleep somewhere else. So he tried sleeping on top of a water fountain. Bernard went right on top of that water fountain and fell fast asleep. But there was another problem that happened. "Stop snoring, Bernard," said the giraffe. And that woke Bernard up, and so, that didn't work very well. I guess I will sleep somewhere else. And so Bernard tried sleeping right in a puddle of water. Bernard just went right over there in that puddle and floated in the water. Oh no, there was another problem. This time it was a really big problem. Elephant said, "Stop snoring, Bernard. You have woken up, baby elephant." Bernard woke up. And Bernard started to cry. He had a tear that ran down his cheek just like this. Bernard was so sad and felt so lonely. So he found a tucked away place. Ooh, and really far away. It was really dark here. And he curled up all by himself. And he just decided to drift right off to sleep after he got comfy. And when he did, he dreamed very sleepily and had just wonderful dreams. Oh, it was wonderful. Yes, they were the best dreams. Well, while he was sleeping in this faraway place, tucked away from everyone else, someone was looking for Bernard. Do you remember who? Oh, it was two friends that sleep really close by to Bernard at the zoo. They were Turtle and, that's right, Frog. Well, they went out searching for Bernard. Yes, because they missed Bernard. They searched all through the night and they started crying, Bernard! Bernard! Where are you? Bernard! They were looking all over. Oh, and they just searched and searched through the night. Well, the next morning, Bernard woke up and Bernard was looking around at this new place that he had slept. Oh, he couldn't believe it. He slept through the night. And he looked up and there was a bat on the ceiling. Bernard said, "Excuse me, but I have a question." "Yes," said the bat. "How did you sleep all through the night with my snoring?" And the bat said, "Well, I didn't. I went out during the night. I was busy looking for my dinner. I didn't sleep at all because bats are nocturnal, which means they don't sleep at night. So I really wasn't sleeping, Bernard. But now I am very tired, so I'm going to try to go to sleep. Please, please don't snore, Bernard." Oh, and Bat made himself comfortable on the ceiling and went right off to sleep. Oh, well, now Bernard was really feeling terrible. Oh, yes. He felt so bad. There wasn't any place where he could just go and sleep without bothering somebody. Oh, poor Bernard. But then he heard something. What do you think that was? Oh, it was Frog and Turtle. Yes, Frog and Turtle, they came back and they said, "We couldn't sleep without you, Bernard." Oh, they missed Bernard. And Frog came up to Bernard and he said, "Oh, Bernard, oh, I am so sorry that I told you to snore someplace else. Oh, would you please come back? I miss you, and so does Turtle." Oh, and Bernard said, "Well, apology accepted. I will come back and sleep with you now." And from that day on, everyone slept happily. Almost everybody. Good night, Bernard. Yay, that was the story of Stop Snoring, Bernard. I hope you enjoyed that story. We are going to sing a song next, and it's called 10 in the Bed. And I would like for you guys at home to roll your hands like this, okay? And when I say roll over, all right, here we go. We're going to count out 10 animals. 10 animals. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3. Ooh, let's see if we can fit everybody in the bed. 4, 5. And we need 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job, guys. All right, here we go. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh! Now, how many have we got? We have 9. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh! There were 8 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh! There were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh no! There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh no! Now we have 5 in the bed. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh no! Now we have 4. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh no! Now, there were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they both rolled over, and one fell out. Now there's just 1. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night. Yay! Thank you for joining me for today's story time. And I look forward to sharing another story with you next Thursday at 10:30. Bye-bye, everybody.